Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's just, Arkel Ray, you know what the deal is. Another video. Let's move this out.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.
Car started rolling, that's crazy. Oh, that was scary. All right, so the car literally almost just rolled out. Could have rolled back and hit the Z, but 246 day. Real quick, we're gonna try to knock out changing these 4 lugs out for some 5 lugs. Our other 240, because cat's out the bag, Taylor knows about it. I can't get in trouble anymore. But the other 240 came with some 5 lugs. So we're gonna swap the 4 lugs off of here so that way I can make that a 4 lug roller, and we got 5 lugs for free. So first order of business, we need to get these 4 lugs off. Well, technically we need to get the car in the air and then the 4 lugs off so we can start this process. All right, so gotta turn the music down. Currently bumping that Kendrick Lamar, We Love Kiki on the screen. I had to run to AutoZone to grab this today. It's a 10-point lug socket. Unfortunately, this car came with the type of lugs up here, so we just gotta get them off. Hopefully this thing hasn't been up here since 1991, or else I'm fucked. Known that was gonna happen. No, common sense would be to spray them. Who knows how long these have been up here. But of course, your boy didn't think to do that with this one. And look, now it's stuck up there. They're all gonna do that. I just fucking know it. All right, we got one off. So I got one off, but it's stuck. I didn't expect this to turn into one of these kind of videos, but this technique, you literally take a screwdriver, put it on one side, and then you drop it like that to get it out. See, ta-da. Let's get the rest of these off so we can hurry up and already swap this to 5 lug car.
A few moments later.
As soon as I turn the camera off, it's gonna work one time. All right, last one off. So here's the original 4 lug. We are just going to grab whatever size socket this is, because I'm not entirely even sure, because it looks smaller, definitely smaller than the 5 lug that I have. So let's figure it out. So don't be like me. I used a 32. It's a 28. I just don't know where my 28 is. I believe it's a 28, but once you do that, remove that bolt. It's as easy as removing this. Here's the 5 lug. I should clean all of this up, but because I have to go back in here and when I change my knuckles and everything out, I'll tackle it then. But for now, it's just as simple as bolting the new one on. Just like that. The front is now converted. And we'll throw some rollers on here just to get it up and running. Let's tighten this up, switch sides. All right, so since the 240 is going to be converted to 5 lugs, why not just swap some 5 lug wheels on? Right here in front of you, I got a Motegi SP5. Now this is really like a 18 by 7.5 plus 40. So like very like Subaru Honda spec, but yeah, let's just throw it up here. To give you an idea, I guess, it's not on the ground. but it wouldn't be a bad look for the car. However, I think this spec is just so out of whack that it wouldn't even be worth to put on and try to roll it out in the sun, because I hate these lug nuts in that bird. But we're not gonna throw it up here. Although to see it on 18s would look pretty sick. All right, chat, so I kind of got carried away and lost what I was doing. But back to this. So just make sure when you put your new lugs up there that your piece that goes on the inside of here actually mounts up flush to it. See this little clip right here. Make sure that this lines up pretty flush. When you do this, we're gonna make sure that this is up there and centered, and then torque everything down to spec.
Eventually.
So the reoccurring theme of my life right now is that this camera slash GoPro seems to die way too fast. But I just got caught up in the fact that I was installing the 5 lug swap for this car. So the rear is actually 5 lugged as well, completely. I just wanted to share the end result of that. I know this tire's flat, but 5 lug swapped all the way around. Couldn't be more happier. So you guys like what you saw in this one, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Much love, much respect. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.